Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood here in my home garage, giving you guys a little tech tip for today. So I'm working on sealing up the whole inside of this Model T project that I've been working on for quite a while now, and I am ready to lay all my seam sealer around all the seams where I made floor pans and stitch and spot welded them in place. So what we're going to use today is some Eastwood high solid seam sealer in my trusty caulk gun. We're going to be using some of our painter's tape or masking tape that we have here, and we're going to be using some Eastwood Pre. All these little things together will help you get nice crisp lines and also keep the mess down to a minimum when you're trying to do all the seam sealing. So I'm going to get some tape out, get everything masked up, and we'll show you what we're doing. So after a little bit of welding, I was able to spray some epoxy primer down on the whole entire inside of the car, and I then went ahead and followed it up with some seam sealer to seal up all the seams and also give a nice smooth appearance. Now that I have all this done, I'm sure that everything's going to be sealed up and I'm not going to have any rust issues in the future, and I'm also ready to move on to coating the whole entire floor with the top coat that I choose. To see the products that you saw in this video, you can click the link down below, and you can also visit eastwood.com to get the tools you need to do the job right.